Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special topic to discuss: easy and healthy diabetes-friendly meals. Whether you are managing diabetes or simply looking for nutritious meal options, we have got you covered. As we all know, maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for managing diabetes. That's why we are excited to share with you some delicious and diabetes-friendly recipes that are not only easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients. Let's start with a breakfast favorite: protein muffins. These little treats are a great way to start your day with a healthy dose of protein and fiber. Plus, they are easy to grab and go, making them a perfect option for those busy mornings. To make these protein muffins, you will need some key ingredients such as almond flour, protein powder, eggs, and a touch of sweetness from stevia or honey. Simply mix all the ingredients together, pour the batter into muffin tins, and bake until golden brown. Voila! You have a batch of delicious and nutritious protein muffins ready to enjoy. Next up, let's talk about salads. Salads are not only a great way to get your daily dose of vegetables, but also a wonderful opportunity to get creative with different flavors and textures. For a diabetes-friendly option, opt for leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and lean protein sources such as grilled chicken or tofu. Now let's move on to everyone's favorite pizza. Yes, you can still enjoy pizza while managing diabetes. Simply swap the traditional pizza crust with a low-carb alternative, such as cauliflower or almond flour. Top it with your favorite veggies, a lean protein source, and a sprinkle of cheese, and you have yourself a guilt-free and diabetes-friendly pizza. For dinner, consider a balanced meal that consists of lean protein, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Grilled fish with a side of quinoa and roasted vegetables is a perfect example of a diabetes-friendly meal that is both satisfying and nutritious. Don't forget to stay hydrated and enjoy some refreshing beverages throughout the day. Smoothies are a great way to sneak in some extra fruits and veggies into your diet. Simply blend some spinach, berries, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a delicious and diabetes-friendly smoothie. Lastly, let's talk about desserts. Yes, you can still indulge in some sweet treats while managing diabetes. Opt for fruit-based desserts such as a fruit parfait or a berry crumble made with oats and nuts. These desserts are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that your body will love. In conclusion, managing diabetes does not mean sacrificing flavor or variety in your meals. With a little creativity and some simple swaps, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious and diabetes-friendly recipes that will keep your taste buds happy and your body healthy. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider or a nutritionist for personalized meal plans and guidance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.